Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have another really cute Barbie career outfit. Now you remember we had the chef one where I had the set like this and I compared it to the Dollar Tree one, and I actually preferred the Dollar Tree top, not so much the pants. I could not find a Dollar Tree version of this one. This one is a hairstylist. Look at her little outfit and the accessories. I could not find a Dollar Tree version. So we are just going to open up this one and take a look and review it. And is it worth the money? I don't have anything to compare it to, so I'm going to probably say yes because it is Mattel and it is official Barbie. And I love that it is official Barbie. And this one was again found at Dollarama in Canada. So like your Five Below, Target, discount stores in the United States. But I'm going to try it on a different Barbie. And I'm going to try it on a different Barbie because of these accessories. I would say I'm thinking that this is going to be better for a Barbie that has one bent arm and one straight arm versus a Barbie that has two straight arms. When you are, pretending to style your hair, or when you're styling your own hair, your hands are not like way above your head. Whereas I think she would be better because she can at least, put the brush or the hair dryer kind of near her head. So for today, I'm going to bring out a new Barbie that I haven't used before. This is my let me put her so you can see her, older made to move Barbie. And I'm going to use her because her hands can move. The one thing I don't like about made to move Barbies is when they have the feet like this, because when they're walking, do you see that? This foot tends to curve upwards, or if they're wearing heels, no one naturally walks around like this, and that's what tends to happen with our made-to-move feet. But I do want to use her because of the hands. And if you don't have a Barbie like this one with the bent arm and all you have are the two arms, you know what? Go right ahead. These are such a great deal. Even these ones, instead of the Dollar Tree ones, when they come with the accessories. I love accessories. Again, just like all Barbie videos, gift baskets, birthdays, Easter, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever event you want to celebrate them with, they are fantastic. Make gift baskets. Make, anything you want out of them at this point. They are so, so cute. And when they're in these little plastic pouches, absolutely adorable. The one thing I'm thinking I'm not going to like right off the bat is this is a one-piece outfit. I mean, I would prefer if the apron was separate, but it is an inexpensive set. So let's get it right open. Scissors again because of this little tag. And remember, keep the little plastic pouches. They are so fantastic to keep stuff in. And I love how easy these are to open now that I figured it out. Squeeze the sides, bend, and then pull. Look at that. Now you could even put it back into this when you're done. You can do whatever you want with them. I love it. So here is our outfit. And again, it is printed. It is one piece. It's Velcro. Let's get our accessories. I'm here for the accessories. Get it off, get it off. All right, there we go. Got it open. Here's the dress. Oh, I should cut the little tags off, otherwise it won't fit. All right, if you're doing this with a little person, not a little person, a young person, a child, someone who needs help, make sure you do the scissors for them. Let's get it open. Look at how cute that is. It is printed on, but it has the clips, it has the combs, the brush. I mean, so cute. Let me get that little sleeve out. It is Velcro. Does it have a Barbie tag? Does it? No. No. Mattel, you gotta put the tag back. I say it all the time. If Dollarama can do a tag, Dollarama or Dollar Tree can do a tag, why can't you do a tag? Putting a tag in gives collectors the knowledge that it is an actual Barbie outfit. And I know we've had some, I think it was the Jurassic Park. Yes, it was the Jurassic Park. So I'm going to bring Skipper in. She's wearing the Jurassic Park outfit and hers has the official tag. And it came in a little package like that. Come on, Mattel, we got to get the tags back on them. Let's do the quality test. It's so cute. I love it already. All right, let's just get it right onto Barbie. And the good thing with our made to move is that you can bend her all around, so it's easy to get these things on her. Again, I don't like the feet. Now, this is pretty fitted. I don't think that this is going to fit any of the non-stereotypical Barbie, traditional Barbie shaped bodies. If you have a fashionista that is shorter, wider, different build, look at that. It's not going to fit. It's actually really snug on this Barbie. Look at how tight that is. Can she even bend? She can't even bend really. If this had Velcro on the waist, she would not be able to bend. Do you see what the pocket's doing too? Like, let's stretch that out. Okay, so this is definitely not going to fit a different shaped Barbie, but look how cute it is. I'm not really understanding the checkerboard at the bottom. Is she supposed to be wearing a checkerboard skirt? Because if she is, why is the back of her dress green? I mean, it's not an extension of the apron. If they could print the color here, it should have been printed from here down. That's a nitpick on me, but what I really, 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 really wanted, which you know by now, is the accessories. Let's see. Okay. Her hands are slightly bendy. Can we get it in? Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, it fits on Barbie's hand. Do you see the little bee? Look at the details. So it's open and it has the clips on the end. So if you have a Barbie cart or anything that has the clips to hold it in, this hair dryer is going to clip on the end. I'm really excited about that. And then look, she can blow dry her hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try the brush. Okay. And the brush would actually go this way. Look at that. Look at that. How cute is that? Okay. I like the set. Again, it's with the details. After we had the amazing details of the Jurassic Park outfit, it's kind of slacking. It's not as good. It's better than the Dollar Tree quality, but this is such a cute, cute career outfit. I wish they came with shoes because I don't know how many hairstylists are walking around barefoot in the salon with the scissors in the hair. I mean, you'd think. I do love that it has the brush. I do love that it has the hair dryer. I love that the hair dryer clips there. Again, I want the outfit to be a little loose so that it would fit on other Barbies, but this is going to be a win for me. Now, how cool would it be if we're going to take this a bit further, and I didn't print anything and I should have, if you printed out a picture of a salon, you know, just people sitting in a chair, even a wall of shampoo, and you put that on. Do you remember that Dollar Tree board that was the house that folded out? Or you taped it to your wall and had your very own Barbie salon? This would be, it would be chef's kiss. It would be so cute. So we're going to improvise on my grass because I was not prepared. And I also don't have a tall chair. So we're going to use our little beach chair. And just imagine this, playing with the kids in your life, with your grandkids, your nieces, your children. And then you have your Barbie. And I'm choosing Skipper specifically because she has, you know, the blue highlights. And I chose me to move Barbie because I don't have a tall chair. So I either need Barbie to sit under and do her hair this way. Look at that. If you're doing a Barbie photo shoot and you actually had a taller chair, how adorable. I really wish now, I'm going to have to go back to Dollar Tree to see if they have one that I can compare that to. But just imagine doing a Barbie photo shoot and having this whole little scene set up like this with a taller chair, or, you know, you could do this. What is this in my doll's head? Oh, she's got some dirt in her hair. All right, well, that's why she's at the salon. But just imagine how cute that would be with a background, say like, you know, here and here of a salon. This is absolutely beautiful. You could also do your Chelsea or your Kelly doll. And you know what I've noticed about this Kelly? Look at the top of her head. She actually has a bald spot. I didn't notice that when we got her. Look at that. Now she's doing Barbie's hair. She's doing Kelly's hair. She could do all of her friends' hair. Let's get this one in for a little chance to get her hair done. She's still wearing her Tokyo outfit. I mean, Barbie could very well be brushing out her hair, get her ready for the Olympics. Look at how absolutely, I love this set. I really do. It's got its issues. It does. But all Barbie outfits do. I'm going to give this one a solid 8.5 out of 10. Mainly for the, look at that. She's actually brushing her hair. Just for the printing. I really wish, like, this makes no sense. What is this, like tablecloth? I mean, come on. The apron, it makes sense to stop here, but you couldn't have put the skirt pattern all the way around or just put the green underneath. I don't know. Other than that, I absolutely adore this set. This is a win. This is a win. Do you know what I just thought of? Just looking at this one. My Barbie had a little scissor incident. So when you are playing with the kids with this one, make sure you remind them no scissors, because Barbie's hair, it does not grow back. That is it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching me. And I will see you all next week.